This is the Antigravity A1, an 8K 360 drone that's trying to change how we shoot aerial video. The pitch is simple: fly first, frame later.
It sounds super promising, but there are also some downsides we need to consider. I'll cover those in this video as well. But first, let's look at what you actually get, because the bundles can be confusing sometimes.
I'm using the Infinity bundle, so inside you'll find the A1 drone, the vision goggles, and this motion controller grip with accessories. Most importantly, 3 high-capacity batteries and a charging hub. It charges all 3 at once, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And if you're buying, bundles matter, because one battery is never the lifestyle. Extra batteries change everything. Vision goggles have their own battery too. You can connect it while it hangs from the battery lanyard. And notice, there's no traditional controller. This motion controller works differently than most drones, and honestly, once it clicks, it can feel more intuitive. I'll show you in practice. You also get spare propellers, a screwdriver, and a quick reader, which is super handy if you want to start editing on your phone without transferring files first. The bundle also includes a carry case and a bag for everything, even with a slot for a landing pad. Now, on the drone itself, you'll see multiple cameras for optical sensing, but for content creation, the key parts are the dual fisheye lenses on the front, one on the top and one on the bottom. They capture the full 360 video with the stitch line running around the body. These lenses are replaceable. If you damage one, you can swap it using the Antigravity replacement lens kit. And besides the drone, the most exciting toy here is definitely the goggles. The goggles give you an immersive view, and the whole point is, you can look around without turning the drone. Let me be clear, this is not a high-risk FPV racer vibe. It's more like cinematic cruising, but with an I'm inside the flight feeling. And the motion controller is basically point to go. After 5 minutes, you stop thinking in joysticks and you start thinking in paths.
And if you want to see how it really performs in the real world, watch my 1 flight 5 shots challenge right after this video. But before that, let's talk about the trade-offs, because yes, there are a few, and the biggest one starts with image quality.
An 8K 360 file is spread across an entire sphere, so when you crop in, you're not getting the same pure detail as a traditional camera drone that's dedicated to one frame. But it's worth doing a quick comparison with Insta360's flagship camera, the X5. Can you tell the difference? Left is the Antigravity A1. So as you can see, you'll get a high-quality flying 360 camera, all the advantages of spherical recording combined with the endless possibilities of flying and getting unbelievable angles and camera movements. But don't treat this like it has superpowers. Obstacle sensing helps, but it's not an I can't crash magic. Fly like an adult. Leave margins. The goggles are incredible, but depending on where you live, you may need a spotter to keep visual line of sight while you're immersed. Always check your local rules. It's positioned as a premium system, goggles, controller, so it's not competing with budget minis. But now, you can take the advantage of the latest anti-gravity sale campaign. Check the link in the description for current pricing and bundle options. So who is this for? It's for creators who want maximum options in editing, for people who want immersive flying without FPV chaos, and for anyone making short-form content who needs vertical and horizontal from the same capture. It's not for you if you want a simple phone on a controller drone experience. Although, there are rumors a traditional controller may be coming.
The Antigravity A1 isn't just a drone, it's a workflow. Fly first, frame later. If that clicks with how you create, this thing can feel like cheating in the best way. And if this short review helped, please hit like, and for more 360 tutorials and gear reviews, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.